Muhasba and Nafs. Muhasba is accountability from Hisab, that you keep an account of what you do. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said that who believe, Ya ayyuhallazina amanu. And this is something which is a consistent across when the message of taqwa comes. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala usually addresses it to the people of Iman, because it is expected of people of Iman to be the people of taqwa, right? So, Ya ayyuhallazina amanu ittaqullah, that have taqwa of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Wal tanzur nafsum ma qaddamat li ghad, and everyone must consider what he has sent ahead for tomorrow. Keep an eye out. Li tanzur nafsum ma qaddamat li ghad. Keep an eye out on yourselves, as to every soul should keep an eye on itself as to what it is sending forward. Be aware. Don't be heedless. We have understood about nafs, that nafs needs to be checked. You can't leave your nafs unchecked. We have understood about nafs that we need to be mindful of what it is doing. We need to train our nafs. Anybody who is under training, if we have a trainee with us, you can't just take somebody as a trainee and then leave them on their own, right? If you have somebody as a trainee, you keep a very strict eye on them. When we are training our nafs, one of the things that we need to ensure with regards to our nafs is that we keep a very close eye on our nafs. A very close eye on our nafs. It is the consensus among the ulama that it is obligatory on every person of Iman to keep an eye on the things that he has done in the past and the things that he is about to do. So far, I've been using the word accountability. There's another word that also is used for muhasba, that is audit. And there are two kinds of audits that take place. My banker friends would know very well. There is an external audit, that you get somebody else to come and check your books and make sure that everything is in order. But before the external audit is to happen, the companies also put in place internal audit. An entire department is created, audit department, right? And their entire job is to just go and audit. And they are not for an external audit firm. They are internal to the organization themselves. But they are no friends of anybody within the organization. They are tough on everyone. And they go and they audit every aspect of that, their very own organization. What's the purpose? To make sure that all files are properly kept, all the entries are properly made, all the accounts are properly maintained. Everything is as it is should be. If there is a compliance checklist, the compliance is being met. If there is a ISO certification that needs to be maintained, that certification is in place. If there is a commitment that is there with the customer, that commitment is being fulfilled. There is an internally they audit. Why they do that? Because they know that if we fail an internal audit, there is still time to fix things, to get them right. But if an external auditor comes and he finds these flaws or gaps or shortcomings, that can have serious consequences, from hefty fines all the way up to being license being revoked. Anything can happen. This muhasaba is very similar to that audit. We will be audited. Our books would be open. We will be questioned on everything that we have done, everything we have said, everything we have seen, everything we have heard, so much so that everything that has crossed our minds. There would be questioning on all of that. But before that questioning happens, if we are in a habit of reflecting and doing an internal audit on all these aspects, there is room to correct. There is room to fix before that external audit. What is that external audit? The questioning by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala on Yawm al-Mahshar, on the day of judgment. And the internal audit is what we can do right now. So in simple word, this accountability, this audit, it means that whatever we do in our day, whatever we do in our nights, whatever we think about, we reflect on it. That what is it that am I doing? What is it that I'm saying? What is it that I'm looking at? What is it that I'm listening to? How am I What is my behavior like? What is my conduct like? And if we find ourselves in doing things which are good, then we need to be thankful. And if we think, or if we come across in that audit the things that are wrong, then we need to be regretful about it, we need to be remorseful about it, we need to do istighfar on it, and we need to correct it.